Wagwan ENT.
Well, good night, ladies and plenty men. Ooh. You see the part you touch first? The wrong foot. Whee! That foot will breed you. Let me ease off the glasses. My yacht only see me. Well, right about now, I have to say, boy, it's a pleasure. I just love this little country here, and believe it or not, I will stay here and live here. And I respect the vibes of the people them. But you don't know, say, Father Chappie, we have to big you up because you know, say, you make all of this possible and all the sponsors. Well, right about now, you know, says lyrics time. Well, you know, Uncle Freddie, you know, me as a man, now, me mostly talk to the people, you know. Let's read them more lyrics. So you just play the rhythm and lick it low. All girls, I want to gear up because, you know, say, I want me come here. One of me come here. And when me I left go back to Jamaica, it's about 9 little picnic beside me, me make 10. And my picnic them. Well, you have the woman them want now in the early here because you don't know, so when me come in a ramp with the pum pum thing there, you know, hey, run tune because the woman them is man. Drop it low. All of the man that know so them can wine woman good in a St. Martin's, put up on hand and say pram. Hey yo, blow up man, I come, but them don't know. So yeah, hear me now, you see them woman here in St. Martin's. If you notice, you know, it's all different nation. But you see the Jamaican girl, them, you have to can walk them hard. Play it low. Hear this. You see the Jamaican girl, them? Watch it. Shh. Yo, woman don't need no leap a bag of romance again. Them want the good loving figure boast on them friend. Woman don't want no boy with no tiny jack plug for tickle them, make them laugh and no know fi make. She wants some high tension plug in her socket. 1000 volts to hold that and shock it. Hold on! Quiet! This is what the woman them need, man. You got to hear. Don't make no noise, man. Hey yo, blow woman, I come, we lick them up now. We not start with the woman them yet. But me just tell you where them want early out. Woman don't need no leap a bag of romance again. Want the good loving figure boast on them friend. Woman don't want no boy with no tiny jack plug for tickle them, make them laugh and not know if he make. She wants some high tension plug in her socket. 1000 volts you hold that and shock it. Grab and electricity way sharp like me ratchet. Only for bikini and fly out like a rocket. But on enough to pet you must hold that and chop it. God put it upon a man fi man tap it. French cut pop it. Finger baggy drop it. When you done them have to use cold water and sap it. That's why man a woman fit on. Sit. Hey. Well then, shut him. Man a put on the guinea gog because we carry the log. And the girl we log on pan. Always feel like them for breed for we. In my yacht. Yo! Just now, we dear me book a girl up a traffic. One time me buck the girl and one time me clap it. Every day she turn up and me gate and I knock it. Girl pick me come and talk about me fear adapt it. Can me go a quote and the way the judge a drop it. Wonder to myself in my plan for take me profit. Him say, Professor not like how me one piece of the jacket. I will mind the 2 sleeve and you mind the 2 pocket. That's why man and woman fit on sight. Shut the boy. Hey yo, blow woman I come about them. I want to be man a madman. Man a madman. Shh. Hold on. Yeah, man. You know what I do? You feel if my foot long enough, you know. But you see, a size 12 this. And you know, say a size 12 and a half this. Man, that little man, that a 4 3/4. That one grow with little more water. Body water. Guess what?
Wagwan ENT.
Put on no hand up for man we can't turn up. Man when off use stone and brush and drink no one up. What if a boy a plan up? Take pillar and a chang up and you hold them in a bedroom and a healthy get the jam up. Cannibal a guy will love bow down and yam up. Man will love run back, she love old girl and gang up. Rude boy put on no hand up, put on no feel no man up, put no have to get a woman on the. Whoa, that's shot the boy. How do him? Hey. Fred and Aras, stop it. That we know how to drop it. Hey. I try to know, I'm a madman from where they, multiple indefinite for Bellevue when I miss from a gun. Hey, yo. Anytime I come to St. Martin, I'm going to build my house. So what do I'm going to find my house, put me in now. Talking about woman and pum-pum. Wait, no girl, me say you love me rather. Anyway, I soon deal with phone case because by the time I have to come out of the dance, I'm going to puff. So I'm not going to fool around me, man. Anyway, you know, some me love pum-pum, I can walk. But you see the other part, me I eat no luck. You know what that mean? Suck. No! All of them and them when no to them no suck pum-pum and put up on no hand in the ear and make me see it. Hey yo! We are Jamaican, we don't do that shit. Get the fuck out of here. Hey yo! Watch you now. Yeah, me now. Run there with him. Run there with him from the nose. Hey yo! Play low. Why me say a pure hand a pint and a hand a pint and a not a pint, you know, cause me no come here for make no broke no fight. Yeah, hear me? Listen, this is lyrics, you know, me a madman, you know. Remember me say, oh no nothing. You know listen, my man, you know too nice. People, some boy them a cannibal. Yo, taking the head from underneath the girl. Yo, what do they do with ain't original? And from we buck up a guy do that again. Be critical. Yo, some guys them a cannibal. Yo, taking the head from underneath the girl. Yo, what do they do with ain't original? What you juggling now, my youth? I'm the professor, I'm not a guesser, rubber dub aggressor. Bubbling on the mic with a percentage of my power pressure. Girls love me, white man a caresser. Cause I'm like a figure, then I put them on the dresser, yes sir. I'm a Jamaican and I'm sweet, ought to be. Don't eat the meat between but the girls' feet. Me a no freak, me now go do it. You see it back home, they call me original Mr. Do It Sweet. From the neck to the breast I go, I don't go below the waist, no that's a low blow. And if you think I am a low bro to go below to blow, get out of here girls and oh. And Mr. Young, listen me know this I no girl stop, bow you feel low them. People show, shoot me down with a gun right now. Them have to shoot me like a cow. Yo, Professor Nabo. Some boy them a cannibal. They could hide from man and eat the girl. What do they do with it original? Play it low. I was in Manhattan. And this is the Puerto Rican girl. Come to me and said, doing business? Me say, business. If you come take me a little bit of US dollar. I'm mad, she mad man. But let me tell you how the story go. Video man line up. Down goes the sun, up comes the night. Flickering bright in my sight was the stars and the city light. I met a girl in a black and white candy stripe tights. Look in the light, she was out of sight. Invite home to my house that night for a bite, right? Kentucky and Sprite by the candlelight. Very polite, she said, yeah, Mike, the food is right, but it's like for you, I got an appetite. The girl unbuckled my belt was tight. She fight left to right, pulled my pants and she grabbed my pipe. In a fright, I said, yike, what you doing? She said, blow your bite. I won't bite me. Say, yeah, right. With those big ass lips and teeth to bite out. But daylight, you remind me of Friday. Girl, if you don't stop, shut him. And where the boy? Hey, yo. Hold on. We're talking about punon in yamins. The meat that is not cooked. A man look at me and say, nuts, that's why you're so damn mager. I said, what do you mean by that, sir? Because you're not heating the right meat. I said, but look when me live to come here, Papa Jesus. But I hear me now. Me look at him and say, boss, God put we mouth over witching, fi eat and drink all kind of sin thing. And give we mouth fi taste teeth fi yam dumpling. But some man use the mouth and a yam the wrong thing. Some man yam pear, some man yam pumpkin. Some man yam beef, some man yam red herring. Some man yam pork, some of them yam chicken. But some of them man yam Dan and some man yam Jacqueline. What a thing. That they sit no must nourish in the fast. So if you get fat, me rather than slim. What a, that they sit no must finger licking. If it quiet my youths. I said, listen. Because we shine and glisten. Hey, yo, blow out when I go. Again, start from where I left off. People, me say, what a thing. That they sit the most nourishing if I so me get fat. Me rather than what a, that they sit the most finger licking. If it near so damn good, them should have put it in a tin. Put it in a tin and mark on it, big manufactured by the Bowcat Limited. And price it to cost $20 to Ross up on the label mark. Pum in a tomato sauce. Where the shot him. Where the boy gone? How do him? Yes, man, it should be labeled. Yeah, man. People, watch the ride. That is just warming up, you know. This is just warming up. Listen to me. Play low. Put it in a tin is one, but another is when you a figure order it a shop. It come in like a when you go buy chicken back. And a pint and the shopkeeper asking is what? This? No, me never order that. That dirty girl, me no put in a me pot. This what your man, me no come for run joke. This wait, you want sell like pork. This what your man, just school no youth. This what you are go with chicken noodle soup. This what your mouth, mind my friend them here. I want a nice gutter bread and a tin of that thing there. When the near for the boy, I never wonder. And I never appear, never think I know. How about the boy will, yeah, hear me man, I would do it when I'm mad. Wait. Set it low. Set it back and low. You must think we start yet. This is just the... So, man, you just make the stomach go like young puss. Don't do me that. How do I, man? I am very emotional when it comes to touching me up, you know. It could be detrimental. Tomorrow you'll start buying nappy and shimmies and all them things. You know. Sure. Eh? Oh. When me come, yeah man, remember your face, man. You grow big and I'll shave and all them things. Hold on. Oh boy. We are mad people, you know. People, play it low same way, Freddie. Shh, shh. The first time me say Pune, me laugh till me cry. Cause me think it could attack Jah no, me nah lie. Me say Jah, tongue, me no see no eye. Just resemble the face of a serious guy. When me start laugh, she asks me, what? Me say nothing, but you me never too certain. Me look on her and say, baby, tell me something. It's where that bearded face man I do wonder you. When me say so, it's like she get wild. She turn on her side and it change her profile. Me bust out again, she say, you're acting like a child. Me say, no, baby, love, me never know it could have smiled with him. You feel guy, them will shut him. How the boy? How the boy? Run him down. That's cool over you. Hey, yo. That's cool. Yes, chopstick. Chop him.
Wagwan ENT.
Hey, me I tell you, not get me mad in here. Anyway, well, let me them see we make a sip some bourbon. This is my bourbon. Yeah, man, a chopstick that man, original Japanese. A black anise, louder man, a Chigro. The man is a black man and a Chinese one, he's Chigro. Yeah, man. Anyway. Wait now. But me I go no lyrics, but I'm gonna make you know say it's really me, because you know you have some people from morning them depend. I want you give me the lyrics, I want you give me the lyrics. Anyway, we're gonna start like this. We're gonna swing it in. Medley style. Me did say enough man there, but a woman there, Kuyano. Woman there, you see, woman there. Me did say enough man there, but a woman there. Watch how we ride it down now. Well, taking a dance in a Manchester. Think it was sometime last November. Go in and the dance, me say what this aya. Same time me brethren come ask me our peer man there, man a peer man there. Peer man there, man a peer man there. So me jump out of the dance, jump in a me Honda. Me hear a man say, Lord, you gone, professor. Me say, me so come back. Show the promoter. Say, me gone, look a man fi come back on ya. Me drive go up Portmore Edgewater. Wake Angela, we live at the corner. Wake up Sharon, we live at Caranada. She run, go for Ellen, that are the bigger sister. Then me call Long Pam, Big Batty, Sophia, Lenky, Titi, Ali, Marga, Putanita. Dry it, Paula, Dash, Rebelli, Elena. Nyami, Marcia, Dalali, Don, Sonia. Parrot, mouth, dry, chatty, Lena, sexy, grape, rosy, lazy, body, Maria. Long neck, Gina, half a nose, Pauline, picky, head, down, John, Jotty, des. Inna the bus, inna the bus, them a kick up rumpus, yes. Inna the bus, inna the bus, them a fight and the year one-stop driver left me bag. Boy, Miss Adi, your arm smell bad. Hey, little boy, the inna the blue tag. Take your foot off of me can before me get. Now the doctor, they come down with the money back. I shout fierce, please, till him to a toll tire. You're a gal ball out, only 10 cent me up. You're a man up at the front, you know me just get robbed. The doctor say, what? The minibus stop. The doctor hold the man and give the man 2 chop. Fling him out of the bus, drop him on him neck. Everybody find bus fare quick off of that way. Inna the bus, inna the bus, them a kick up rum. Yes, inna the bus, And then we just say, boy, mama have her own, daddy have him own. Anything them have, you better leave that. Yo, we not sell no man. Sure, them not sell no. A PJ that man, that does sell everything. Love him. Hey yo, and we could go on and on. Me I have one where they do it from member. Let me give them the one where they do it from member. Watch me now. Again, discipline, you know. Aye. Watch how me again discipline where you love. Yo, see they know, uno come quick. Let me a knife make a cut off it. It a put me in a trouble. Uno wait a little bit again, take it out and get some rotted lick. I know they force you share me brown bead. It's a go round to Ross, you can't read. Everywhere you go, you left another girl a breed. If you don't ever see no belly baby, did they set speed. I tell you breed over Garvey, meet South Barra, Cumberland, Rayton and Westmead. 20 other Jubilee a breastfeed. And 11 in a belly, doctor said them out. When you turn up for weight, you get bad. What is your last request? You're too mad. Talk loud, make me hear, but kiss me cock. Before you beg for your life, you beg for blowjob. So, how are they? Tell how the boy I want to him, man. Damn fierce. Hold on. Eh? Wait, man. Wait. I can't go no everything one time. Hold on. Wait now. You're not soon get on the Jimmy, man. We have more. Watch it now. For these. Jealous, broke where? So when you say no, enemy thing, wait there. All right. This is one passage here against that passage down there. All right. If you can learn the lyrics here, you can trace. I want to learn the lyrics if you go back over there so I'm flinging them out. Watch it now, watch it. So you never know, so I know tracing. Eh? They're full of argument, eh? Watch it now. You see, if I your man, them a take care of food, no man, them a take. You no must say. Watch it. Let's go, sir. If a girl come and try to take your man, and one come in a contention, Just put some saliva back in your gland and go like I know them you they look pan. And then you just come pity pan. Pan a girl with a plan for the witty man. Where you love and I get dicky from. From a girl I come a dip in a your kitty pan. You feel just come pity pan. Pan a girl with a plan. I want do the little boy man. Anyway, that song they soon come out and I read him name Living Colors, Capleton, Lexus, the whole away the panic. That I go take over for everything we are going now. Hey yo, love woman, I call about them love no. Watch it. Girls, watch it. Me not start the joke yet, you know, because I warm up. I me the girl them after. Woman around me don't forget the fun and laughter. But now fi me joke no for the girl them shatter. Fi make them drop a dirty and lay down in a water. Me tell them I me the girl them after. Woman around me don't forget the fun and laughter. Man now fi me joke no for the girl them shatter. Fi make them drop a dirty. Play it low. People, I must say can't make me heat. That as me talk. Everybody a kin teeth. Who no drop a dirty than in a rubbish heap. I dead over me joke and I one day too sweet. Pamela laugh till I eye them all weep. Betty laugh around go lick up in a concrete. Angela lay down and say, Lord, me feel weak, you know it's sweet or so much y'all. I beg me feel repeat. I mean the girl them after. Woman around me don't forget the hey, man I feel me joke no for the girl them shatter. Fi make them drop a dirty. People, listen to me. We make some DJs so dry. Figgy people joke. Me say them not even try. No little kiki, no little lullaby. All them the panna just murder a guy. But puts in a bag that was a dance and fight. Them can't sell you nothing where you know want buy. If them are brutal, them better try turn papaya and start give people joke before we make back a fly. That's why I rather be jokify than be an entertainer where they make people sigh. I talk about gun and who from a again fly. I rather give a joke till your belly buzz. Bye! No stage show me go make people cry. Make man laugh till them choke get all. A brother thump off me and I say, me not tell no lie, you make me lose my false teeth, but I feel satisfied. That's why I with the girl them up. Shut the boy! Look for him. Hey yo! Man, I'm mad, man. Hey! Now my lyrics say, it's a reality check. I'm going to start checking new lyrics, you know. Because we have all kind of new lyrics here. You understand me? This is a respectful lyrics to all the ladies in St. Martin's. I know that this is a girl's country, you know. The government take up for the woman, them. Remember that? You understand me? Because this woman, them bring money to this country. You understand me? You know, see how much casino and the other place around a bush mouth and here did they what? We don't know how we man. You understand me, yeah, man? We go down there too, man. All them things are going down there too, man. You understand me, my youth? Anyway, this one is for the ladies. Special request. So all of the man, them just take it, see? If you don't know want to go to jail and all them things, they feel kick and box down the street. Look how them, my God. You make me rewind like you said. What kind of sun that on your belly? Baby, it's a moon or a sun this. There is an indication this man, this is a tattoo sun. What are not outside for the sun for the inside. Yeah. Anyway, on the data too. Man, do angle woman like
Wagwan ENT.
Because a woman will tell you anything we come at them out, call them dirty girl and you find out. Boy, don't angle woman like an animal, don't style them as girl. Because the woman will tell you anything we come at them out, call them dirty girl. Watch this. Man meet good woman out a road all the while. Treat them like a dog and I use that as style. But if a boy diss me that, me shot that and smile. No love how some guy have a angle girl child. See them out a road I walk, I go where them I go and I call to them. Oi, dirty girl, come here now. Me know him would have flip up like a fish and set you. If he hear another man come call him girl, so watch me now. We name man, we work hard. Woman have to cook and turn in at the yard and make we make love to them with respect and regard. So a time for we stop angle them like dog and love them the way a man should we name. Man and now if we make woman feel good we must care them and respect and love them for life. Married to them and then we call them we boy do angle woman like an animal. Don't style them as girl because a woman will tell you anything will come at them. When bad boys say woman are the wickedest thing. What if it's a girl with beautiful skin? Them just bend up them face a favor ranking and pose like a cha-cha boy and say, oi, the browning. If she no want come what a Sunday man, she a get back down by Monday evening. Bring mama, come mama get the same thing and platter the pooper making go either foreign. Wait, they know. In a way there, upper Kansas Spring, her brother called to a thing, she don't ever fall upon him. He said, wait a little bit, you are this the ranking. Bye! Put on her box and make the woman head spin. She no say nothing, she just rub her chin. And dip in her bag and ease out the gatling. Drape him up and say, police, but him up and say to him, you are done? He said, he done a one virgin. But, to a woman like her, shut the boy! How him run down? Shut boy. Hey yo, black woman, I love woman. How I do, man? Anyway, talking about Jimmy and that, and none of you don't buy me a rum. But anyway, make a take a sip of the bourbon. And when me start to chat, me no want no disturbance. All stush ladies in St. Martin, this is for you. No, not Jimmy yet. Yo, I said be careful of your poop before tonight done. You might end up with a body come down. Careful of your poop before tonight done. Yo, I man get a checkup from me doctor. Regular, fi me body no end up in a sick disaster. Me nyamu, yam and banana, fish and flour. I keep porridge, give me body enough stamina. Diarrhea go fi take me take a milk powder. Me yam me level jackfruit and 10 gizzard. I go drink 3/4 milk and yam 20 bulla and poop. Cool no massa. Make a try remember is when that happened. Year before last, round 7:10, me did get in a minivan with full of people. Sit down at the back, very comfortable. Shh. After me put me the kind of frightened because me feel something but me never too certain. If this seat did wet or I do but what? All me know me sit down in a something. One girl where they beside me, they look and say, Me look pan her and say, young lady walking. She says, somebody poop. Me say, mine I know you. Who no poop all the while and go along like I know, who no. Same time me hear a old man say, who no can't smell good on the nose now, poop no smell. So you are hear me people, that somebody where fat supposed to shit too. What you did say? Hold on. Shut the boy one more time and come with a rhythm, guy. It's soon down. How do we, man? Man, I'm mad, man. Hold on. Yeah, man, start with him again. Quiet! I said quiet. Mister, again. My God. Same time you hear a old man say, you no can't smell good on the nose now, poop no smell, so you are hear me people, that somebody where fat supposed to shit to. One dread did sit down with a piece of bamboo, hear a man search a dread and did I eat mango. The dread lick him with a bag and say, what, that pay the pan you, when I search on yourself, you know, have batty to. Everybody get up and start to argue. And so we must find this one kill him with beat. No. Me make sure ball out. Nigga people, why them always at the pin a dog? Do be careful of your poop. Before tonight, then you might tired of it up. Whoa, careful of your. Hold on. Make it see. Shh, quiet. People. Not to be sure, to be more precise, full. I never really believe I shit to brown bull to when me go so and rub me thoroughly in a hole. The two side puff to ass the pants full. Cool no man, better joke than that. I did for come off up at the next stop and me look fool, but me no idiot. All when the bus reach me stop, me still sit down and a chat. The doctor, him know me where walk pan the, he must say one give me where, hear him go say, one nuts. Now you stop this. Me say, go away, your head boss. You forget say that me live up at the bus terminus. I say, be careful of you. Before tonight, whoa, you might tie up with that. Whoa, me say, be careful of you. Yeah, I am now, shh. People, no, the girl when they beside me, she come in like scout. Just a dig up and pull up and look all about. Look for me how we are start skin up her mouth. Hear me now in my mind. One day she find out. So said, so done. Me see when she bow, look down at the foot and say, kiss me bull cow. One stop driver, let me off now. Is this a brother? You shit up the bus to blow out. Look, hold on. Yo, look at my shoes, it's like she confused. Me ask her if she love the style, she ball, move, and she call one man. I say, have me excuse her. Look on that and see if the shit that her shoes. The man start laugh, then me hear him say, man, you shit up yourself. Me say, move and go, you're too fast. And me did got under there, and when the bus drop in a patrol, me did not dash way. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. You know, people, the man top laugh, then me hear him say, your dinner smell, so I must say cook drunk. Me say, no, me dinner if you smell nothing. Well, I must say me tapping at the dog do. The girl ball out. You lie, you know, sir. You shit up yourself and I blame dog for. And no dog do that. Then me shout, then I she look on it and say, dog no name buster. She get a piece of stick from her piece of actually my man see her and say, what that message? She said, me walk up public, me do the cleaning. And a dog do that and I go prove it to him. She dig and she dig till she find something. She said, look panda, dog name Jim Billin. She never stop dig till she find the pumpkin and the couple juju when me name this morning. When me get mad, me say, look me sister, when you are try prove, not have no meaning. You know what, cut it, that's because me don't want to kill people. I want to go home back without murder charges. You understand me? I couldn't come to St. Martin and don't go on a joke, man. I have to go on a joke, man. Me, Peter, make sure the whole away in from the old school. We never come anywhere and don't go. Hear that joke? Oh, no, dead, do you know? Oh, no, dead. Tappy music, let me give them a joke. A brother come home and they plan. Me are going to my house, because that's in my house, that's you know. I'm hungry. And him wobble going to him house. When him going there, pure smoke. What him say about wait? Me out the door of my house, I burn down inside, and me don't know that. No, man, when him go so and prep and run the kitchen, a pure fire, one pot there around there, blue. Him say, no, man, imagine me left Darius in here to cook my food. And she gone left my food burn. No, Darius. So him go so boom with him junk himself and walk around at the bedroom and say, but wait. I don't mean that between Darius' leg. me tell you so to I don't know, me that between my woman leg. No man, never go stay from me. That time is a man stay from
Wagwan ENT.
In the head. Hold on. My boy go for him and touch him and say, hello, Mr. Bowers. Hi, sir. What happened to you? So the man take time look up him and say, look here. Imagine. Me go in the kitchen and she say, you fuck up with me finiam. Eh? And now me come in the room and find out say you are nyam up with me for fuck. Hold on! Hold on. Hey yo, no more man. I want the way man. Why we are selling up? Run the rhythm, make with us run with. Yeah, hear me now. Yeah. Eh? All right, that's so good. Eh? Well, all right, I'm juggling. Now give you lyrics. Reality check once again for my brethren. Since you ask, you come from morning, I beg my lyrics, but I satisfy your soul. You see this thing here, name dancehall thing, it's a multi-million-dollar thing. But you have some little DJ will come that talk about pussy hole, batty hole, batty everything then talk about batty hole and batty man and that. Like foul and lay. Now it enhances a stinking flavor upon reggae music. A lot of decent people don't want to come here. You understand me? So all America will be thing I go and Josie will have to chuck through window, drop on brigadier, gunshot, bah, bah, and all them things there in a dance hall. When a man should him really come here, come enjoy himself with them queen. But anyway, So me I go give my virgin him satisfaction. Watch it. I saw dance all upon a little balloon thing and a swing and I go down. It is going down, it is going down. Follow me now, the dancehall business all around is going down. Why? Because as a little sound begin to play, a couple little DJ start DJ, a pair gunshot start lick to, and that I mash it down. Me not the dancer, me only here. Two shot kick off the crowd cheer. A white man said, let's get out of here. Ragadaga when me look a man a tear with a Glock in a him and a Heineken beer. Pow, that one they sound too near. So me make a big chuck behind a whole cheer. Me hear a girl say, get off of me. Me say, me dear. You know, she said that me and them not up in your brassiere. A M16 that appear. The DJ go ball out. Not legal you hear. Bulaka. When me look him disappear and the mic still a kin. Pupalik in the air. Down. It's going down. Follow me now. The dancehall business all around is going down. Why? Because as a little song begin to play, a couple little DJ start DJ, a pair gunshot start lick to run so that I mash it down. Hear me now, people. Play low. How can a little DJ like me live off the dancehall fraternity when man a shoot up every dance and a run everybody? Time to come no DJ and I go make no money. We make you think the American them no respect we. True them say we are fool and we are act like dopey. We make you think we are suffer so. Uno think a whitey, uno said one a broke down uno economy. Every Jamaican will live up a foreign. Could I live a Uncle Sam like a queen and a king? Look pan the Chinaman for instance, look pan him. Them help them one another in every little thing. We as Jamaican we live up a foreign, we coulda live like a king, even better than him. But true we full of harder hearing, we fight against one another. Fuck this is them down solid. How what do we man? Chat bar. Huh. Reality check man. Enough DJ come in and chat all kind of thing about Honda girl roll up on a molly ham. Me not this man. Love her not too much. What you say you want from me, baby? Two baby? Say it now. Ninja. Well, may I tell you, see? Oh, you're so shy. Oh, all right, look here. Look at the distance of me from your talk. And you hope your mouth loud. And when I come near you, just. I love you, love me. It's all right. Okay, all right. Stay there. I will come to your aid. You want what? Well, I tell you, two don't know where you're going on front right now. Anyway, let's run some tune now. Now, these are current affair that is going on. You know that one I name? Don't. Because I won't. Don't. Because I won't. People, me say, don't put your thing in other thing there. Don't try to find out where they're in there. Don't you commit them this in there. Don't, because I won't. Me say, all right, start back that rhythm, then make it come in properly and file in decently. You understand me? Start it from the, make it hear all the fuss. All right. People, again, because him get excited, you know, I start mix sugar, water, and all them things there. Watch it. People, it name, don't put your thing in other thing there. Don't try to find out where they're in there. Don't you commit them this in there. Don't, cause I won't. Me say, don't use your mouth name that thing there. Make hell go pop loose where your chin there. Don't eat them meat the chicken there. Don't, cause I won't. Me say don't. And my brethren say, what? You are not my father, you can't tell me that. I better you did say me feel low chicken back. But you can't tell me say nothing yam the pork chop. Me say, yo, that not right. Him say, you are idiot. A girl a pass and him tap and say, oh, no, say that. Back up all that without a pound, a carrot and go so bapping at the party more than name all the frack. Don't put your thing in that thing there. Try to find out where they're in there. Don't you commit them this in there. Don't, cause I won't. Me say, don't use your mouth name that thing there. Make hell go pop loose where your chin there. Don't eat them the meat, the chicken there. Don't, cause I won't. The word don't is not a noun, it's not a verb or an adjective, it's not a conjunction. Don't is not a phrase, a singular, not a plural. It is a contraction. Contraction means to shorten two words and turn it in a diminution. Diminution means upon a fatter man because don't say no understand. Just don't do what you not to do. Cause if you don't play 3, you turn 2. Say what you not to say. Make pick the A, then we go back a road, go lay. Don't eat what you not to eat. Cause if you do it, evidence will show up on your teeth. And don't cock where you not fi cock. Oh no fi so when professor not a talk, I tell you no say. Don't put the thing in that thing there. Alright. I mean not selling no man. Ha. Eh? Eh? You know me have to sing, wait now. Woman, man dig his problem. No matter how you try to please them. Woman, man dig his problem. Yeah, me now people. In a way, dear, me did have problem. Never have nobody fi help me solve them. Write me under 50, go check Dr. Ken. The whole psychiatrist out of me. When him sight me, I come him say, Ross, you again. Me say, yes, Dr. Ken, me have a dirty problem. Him say, all right, sit down and make me question you then. Then him back out a book and a pen and say, is it money? Me say, money enough for me problem. You forget, say, me name, me say, me no love spend. Food, tap your fat. Try again. My collarbone might a show, but me no hungry, my friend. Clothes, but kiss me open. You know a sweatsuit me wear for my pyjama them. Jewel, that no problem. Me all a wear gold ring from me big two of them. Drugs, you rent no gold pen. How you take me for King Everland? I love that. You know, sometimes I read him skip me stop. Cause me no itch, you know. I don't itch. Anyway, I could just run to another thing. Let me now sell no man. Yeah, man. Let me not big up Choppy on the ends, man. Blessed my Lord, you not done no Choppy big already, you know. Hey, yo. See right about now. The brethren say, him want to hear this. I'm going to give it to him. Play it low. Girls. Nobody begs you no hear me at all. It look like woman say gets a man shot. It hard to find a man nowadays to browse but we not have 10 woman from here so to New York. Two a man with no say man shot and the woman them no food and make them fat. Keep 11 only bunch and 40 sweetheart. If you no up on the mouth, we broke up them cloth. Play low, play low, play low, play low. People, in a way they may go down a Clarendon. When me look, me see a piece of woman when make me walk and guess lick me toe, knock me and 2 dogs and go lick up in a garbage pan. One of my friends shout, you a madman? You don't know who a fear husband. You know Big John they killed the 10 man. Back some 40 cow and them only find one. Me ball out, me don't care a damn. This a must a fatal attraction. Cause anyway me see her again, hear me man. When me done with her, she have to forget Big John. One Sunday morning, bright and early, me wake up and say, yes, again, run, go down and see. When me look across the road, guess what I see? Now the same pretty girl does a muggle for me. Hear me not in my mind, me have to get she. If she a dog, me want to catch flea. Me brush off my hand and knock off my knee and go over to her and count 1, 2, 3 and say, my God, what a man wicked is. She said, oh, me say your husband went gone spree and left you have to walk and kill yourself. Him not to say you're 100% pedigree. Baby, you need a room, you like me for dust. You don't put you on my dresser like a figurine. To the big Sunday, you should have don't see a Magdalene in a French cut under almond tree. Mrs. She blushed the new year. She said, me? Me say, yes, baby, love.
Wagwan ENT.
I help you carry the bag. And I hope you agree for me to discuss matters over 2 cups of tea. That's why me help her carry the grocery to make she convinced that me have the respect, the quality, and the love and the command quality. She couldn't tell me no to my checking on man ability. In the house, we sit down in a settee. Little after that, you know, we don't drink the tea. She get up, go lock the door with the key. My hand start shake, don't mention the knee. Here, Rano, make you so nervous, man. Me say, no, I know that. What about your husband? She said, oh, Big John, him gone to Cayman. And I think him a go left from there, so go to London. When she says, so the heart go down, bam. Rasta know it ease the tension. Little after that, she come and rub down my hand. Me just dash with my pants. Me don't even know where them land. In the bed, now a time for action. Top and top her, figure make connection. Had me go so figure ram the door and bam bam. When she shout, who is it? The voice said, Big John. Now me dead to Ross, you know, man. Hold on. Shot the boy. Love him. Shot him. Hold on. Hold on. Man, I'm mad, man. You know what more? Damn. You no crave. Eh? Eh? Your belly not full? Eh? Hold on. Because the amount of lyrics you know want me drop tonight. You hear me? I can sing a song for you. Massy, Jassy, this a girl I was it. They must call you Miss Atty Atty. If you think I like come a jaro and wappy, looking at the dance all passy. What? You no never see Dorothy body no cover no titty. Down here so inna the mesh and the shorts. That the property no buffy cockatee. And I know for me have to purchase even a blade of the grass. You no never see Stephanie Mini no cover no body. Down here so give me hell when she pass. Up in a body sitting so lily. That a no baggy. You no move and give me way make me ask me say aye. Dear Stephanie, come here. Tell me something, woman. Now what that you there wear? She said, you know, she said, this a beer as a dear, and me come here so for flap girl career. Shh. When me prep down at the front, me go say pubic here. Me dash me hand them in my pocket and me zip out for tears. So me go to the bar. Well, a dozen beer, get drunk. Go hold up an hour and knock here. Me here, she said, dirty boy, let me go. Me say, oh, me feel let you go on your boom boom dance. So yeah, I'll show me cool here. You are in there, no? Well, tonight you have to fire this a bone and a row. All right, that's how she thump. And I tell me, shut the boy. How I do we, man? Man, I'm mad, man. Eh? You're too wicked, man. Sure. Why I tell you though? Eh? All right. Start back the rhythm because I joke me again. Why me I tell you so? Me say, hey, when I go start, give me $10 fees lyrics on the request. Now when I make me go home rich. You must say no problem. And when the motor say I beg me discount. Ladies and gentlemen, all I know, I'm a rum panyan. This is what I've been waiting for. Hit name, bad boy Jimmy. Bad boy Jimmy. Bad boy Jimmy. Well, I am on my own. I'm not tell you no but story about a man named Jimmy. Well, live down so round so near country. Drink white rum, gin, vodka, brandy. Yo, I'm a him drunk, him kinda maddy. Hey, about a week before the reggae sun splash. Jimmy the abara drink rum and squash. Junk na brown dog and him bread smell hash. A stagger two side like a stunted wasp. Me know Jimmy tan because enough time we clash. Me know say Jimmy so well like a bowly poo. What if him junk wa kiss me eyelash? Tell you where they catch up and where JC wash. Inna the bar, me say Jimmy go so bad. Dig for some cash, give away the mash. Me say, Jimmy boy, you full of cash. Your boss man must give you a boat. Him say, me no work for people you favor reverb. So no boss boy can't come and give me rush. From me, Tony Glaffin last year, I guess who. Me talk back from down in a Christmas. Me say, wait the Jimmy, you in a buy and sell. They say, what buy and sell, you think no country for that. And they do know that till me swell, me not better than that. Thief and sell, me say, I like that, Jimmy. Me no know you as a thief, him say your favor dopey. Me no see no sour face man with thief like me. I like me use thief milk out of coffee, me say, all right then, you have to show me. If you not show me, me not be. Him say, boy, make sure so you're not chatty. And I kill you if you tell nobody. Him say, me thief 2 gas cylinders from January. Sell them to me in February. And thief me cook loot. Well, I lucky she lucky. I'm thief them from me and go sell them to Teddy. And them don't got Teddy. And right now I have empty. And me I go my things and them a come with me. And me have to make a money and for a couple of white. You have to bad like Jimmy. Bad boy Jimmy. Bad. One day Jimmy wheel and turn and go in a one bar and say, sell me one bone and give me £2 a carnival before no say it down. I turn for me car. Yeah, man. Him fly out of the little bar and run left blossom. When him reach in him yard, him slam the gate. Bang! Two smoke make everybody run. Me go look and me check same house a burn down. Jimmy catch up one with fire upon the ground. I turn the carnival when by a miss a chunk. Live for me like you are my grandson. Dog. Me also dog all a walk a gypsum. Me also dog a girl bank with gun. And then the dog they bring money come. Me also dog a build big outside the stadium. The poor dog sit down and look on Jimmy Bass come and wag him tail two side and a lick him tongue. When Jimmy sight that him fling the big spoon a ground and just grab up the dog like a Mike McCallum and say, show me a talk and you going like a dumb and all and make monkey face and a long out your tongue. You see my tongue can't be like, nah get none, you have to bring a money come if you want the bun bone. But you have to bad like Jimmy. Silence! Where is the boy? Hold on. Let me not sell it, no man. Where's my bourbon there? We ain't not what? Is that right? I can go on one more joke. I can go on. You know why your next joke? You know why your lyrics are joke? I want a vote. Better like that is a joke, man. Let them laugh. Before I do that, I can talk to this lady because it looks like she getting pregnant for me tonight. Start it back. God almighty, I can teach you something to you too sweet. You make out of sugar. You see, through this girl have a little punani. It's a little punani. Me talk. I may tell you, they are in love. It bothers. Yeah. Ooh, baby. Look at this. We are no man, you're not going to talk to her now. You have a little pum pum, so I can call that pum pum. Woo! Because any woman in the crowd will have a big pum pum. It don't name wooey, it name woyoy. Woyoy. So you see like how your little pum pum name wooey. And you may talk to you too sweet. Yeah, it's a wooey. Anyway, you're the lyrics, my girl now. What a girl turn good. Have a look at the body. The girl turn good. Have a look at you. Woo! The girl turn good. Hairstyle no shabby. The girl turn good from the head to the woo. The girl turn good. What? Me say the pretty little girl look. Me girl. What is the secret? Me know you're not thief it. Girl, you got a piece of body that me love how you keep it. No man not beat it. You not ill treat it. Cannibal a road all a plan fi go eat it. Cause the clothes when she wear not genuine leather pleated. Me soon find out where she got underneath it. If a Calvin Klein or Victoria Secret. Call it come more a plan. Man a plan fi go beat it. Full of it. Shot the boy again. I want to man a madman, man. Yeah, man. A deer baggy share, man.
Wagwan ENT.
Anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta say respect once again to Chappie who make all this possible. And, you know, it do not go as expected, but, you know, because the whole heap of mix up and the change of venue. But I appreciate all who come out tonight and respect to you all. Because you are Chappie's best friends. All who know Chappie, I want to know just go blow, blow. Who know the great old Chappie? Because him is the man who are going to put on the biggest event in this place that soon come up by about the next 2 months. Watch it. I'm not even going to tell you who and who the man a drag come up here. Because now God said, Jesus Christ, a chappy, he might forgot give me free ticket. Because them artists, they're too big and the ticket are got so expensive. Chat, but, yeah, man. Anyway, I'm going to show you, say, I'm a tracer. Yeah, man. Don't show them to me a tracer. Loud the tell you know, say you're a rumhead. Like me. A bus come that blood clean. Chat, wow. Wait now. Me there in New York with you, my lord. A little guy just come on the microphone. I give him a chance. I said, have a break. Make people see say you can DJ. The man turned upon me. And I called me shit house. PC hole. What? The words. So I just got to him decent and say, I look upon him and say, again use 4 line and kill you. I know me tell the boy, say, who know why you me tell the boy, say? Who know why you when me 4 line me use kill him? Me look upon the boy and say, play it low, play it low. Coupon you to boy your turn DJ. Your face ever when old donkey one break. If my dog did have a face like a fear one stay, me shave him body and teach him to walk backward. Done it. All right. All right. Yeah, hear me now? Yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen, it's nice to be here and here to be nice. Good night. I love you all. Jaro again take over with some wicked dub plate style. I'm going to drink a liquor if anything. I'll come back to you. Lovely. I love you all. Thank you.
Wagwan ENT.